In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store live. If you've been building your store and you're ready for real customers to see it, there are 3 core things you need to do. Remove the password page, choose and activate a plan, and connect your domain. I'll walk you through each part slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. Let's start with the most important step, removing the password page. By default, every new Shopify store is locked behind a password so that only you or people you share the password with can view it. That's great while you're still designing, but it also means regular visitors can't see anything yet. To change that, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store. Under that, select Preferences. Near the top of this page, you'll find a section called Store Access. This is where the password protection settings live. Look for the option labeled Password Protection and toggle it off. Once you've done that, don't forget to scroll if needed and click Save. As soon as those changes are saved, your store becomes publicly visible. That means anyone who has your store link can access it without entering a password. Next, your store also needs an active Shopify plan to fully go live. Even if you've turned off the password page, checkout will not work for paying customers until you pick a plan. Without it, your store stays in what Shopify calls preview mode, which is fine for testing, but not for real sales. From your Shopify admin, go down to Settings, then choose Plan. On this screen, you'll see the available options such as Basic, Shopify, or Advanced. Click the button to choose a plan, or change your plan if you're upgrading from a trial. Shopify often includes a short free trial and a low-cost introductory period, but the exact offer may vary over time. After you pick the plan that matches your needs and budget, enter your billing information carefully, then confirm. Once that's done, checkout is unlocked and customers can complete purchases on your site. Finally, let's connect your domain, which is the web address people will type in to reach your store. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings again, then click Domains. Here you have 3 main choices: connect an existing domain you already own, change an existing domain, or buy a new domain directly through Shopify. If you connect a domain you already have from another provider, Shopify will guide you through updating your DNS settings. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and be aware that changes can take some time to fully update across the internet. If you buy a new domain inside Shopify, most of the setup is handled automatically for you. Once your domain is connected and set as the primary domain, your store will be live and accessible on that address, and that's it. By removing the password page, activating a Shopify plan, and adding or connecting your domain, you've taken your store from private preview to a fully live public storefront.